Imagine it's the first of the month. In the old world, the world of 2022 or 2024, this was the day of dread. This was the day you watched $3,500 vanish from your bank account to pay for a roof over your head in a city like Los Angeles, Seattle, or Miami. You worked 40, 50, 60 hours a week just to hand that money over to a bank or a landlord. But imagine it different in 2026. You wake up, you check your phone, and you see three notifications. Rent received, $2,100. Rent received, $1,800. Your mortgage is $3,400. You didn't just cover your housing cost, you actually made $500 for waking up today. Most people will tell you the American dream is dead. They'll point to the $800,000 starter homes and tell you that home ownership is a trap. But they are playing by the old rules. They are playing house hacking 1.0. Welcome to House Hacking 2.0. In 2026, a massive shift in U.S. zoning laws, specifically across the West Coast and the Northeast, has unlocked a cheat code for the middle class. We're talking about ADUs, JDUs, and the legal conversion of garages and basements into high-end luxury rentals. Today, I'm not just giving you a theory. I'm giving you the 3,000-word master blueprint on how to live for free in the most expensive cities in America. We're going to look at the new rules of 2026, the specific math that turns a liability into an asset, and the step-by-step execution plan to get your first unit built this year. If you are tired of being house poor and ready to start being house wealthy, pay close attention. The next 20 minutes will change your financial life forever. To understand why this is the gold rush of our decade, we have to look at the 2026 legislative landscape. For nearly a century, American cities were built on single-family zoning. This meant if you bought a house, you could only have one family on that lot. It created a massive housing shortage and drove prices into the stratosphere. But between 2024 and 2026, the dam finally broke. States like California, with the evolution of SB 9 and SB 10, and Washington State, with their new middle housing mandates, have effectively banned single-family-only zoning in major metros. Even New York has followed suit with the Pro-Housing Communities program. The law now says that if you own a piece of land, you have the inherent right to add density. Example, the Seattle Triple Threat Strategy. Take a look at Marcus, a 29-year-old teacher in Seattle. In 2024, Marcus was priced out. In 2026, he used a low down payment FHA loan to buy a modest 3-bedroom house with a large backyard and a detached 2-car garage. Under the old rules, Marcus would be struggling to pay a $4,500 mortgage on a teacher's salary. Under House Hacking 2.0, Marcus did two things. He converted the garage into a 1-bedroom ADU, Accessory Dwelling Unit, and he carved out 400 square feet of his basement into a JDU, Junior ADU. By the time he was done, Marcus had a triplex hidden inside a single-family home. He lives in the main house, and the 2 units bring in $4,800 a month. Marcus isn't just living for free, he's getting a $300 monthly stipend from his real estate. Why the ADU is king in 2026. The reason we focus on ADUs over traditional duplexes is inventory. In cities like San Diego or Austin, everyone is looking for a duplex. They're overpriced and often in bad neighborhoods, but everywhere has single-family homes with garages. House Hacking 2.0 is about value add. You aren't just buying a cash-flowing property, you are creating one. When you take a garage that is currently being used to store old boxes and cobwebs and you turn it into a permitted, legal living space, you aren't just gaining rent, you're gaining massive equity. In 2026, the basement suite has also seen a massive upgrade. Thanks to the egress revolution, new standardized window kits allow you to turn a dark basement into a garden suite with tons of natural light. In high-density cities like Brooklyn or Queens, these units are renting for $2,500 because they offer something rare: privacy. This isn't about being a slumlord. It's about being a housing provider. You are helping solve the housing crisis by adding units to the market, and in return, the market is paying for your lifestyle. This is the first time in American history where the government is actually encouraging you to do this through tax breaks and streamlined permitting. If you aren't taking advantage of these 2026 laws, you are essentially leaving a six-figure check on the table. Let's get into the how, because living for free sounds like a scam until you see the spreadsheet. The financing secret of 2026. The biggest barrier used to be cash. In 2022, you needed $150,000 in cash to build a nice ADU. In 2026, the financial products have caught up to the trend. We now have renovation to permanent ADU loans. This allows you to buy a house and borrow the construction money for the ADU at the same time at a low residential mortgage rate. There are also home equity agreements, HEAs, where investors will provide the capital for your ADU build in exchange for a small share of the future appreciation. This means you can start with $0 of your own money if you have enough equity in your home. Example, the Austin garage to gold math. Let's look at a real-world 2026 scenario in Austin, Texas. Property price, $650,000. 3.5% FHA down payment, $22,750. Total mortgage, PITI, $4,200 a month. The built, a 500 square foot garage conversion, cost $90,000, financed via a construction rider. New total monthly payment, $4,900 a month. Now look at the income. Garage ADU rent, $2,400. Renting one spare room in the main house, $1,200. Your net cost is $1,300. In Austin, you are now living in a $650,000 house for the price of a cheap studio apartment in the suburbs. And here is the kicker. In 2026, that ADU adds roughly $150,000 to $200,000 in instant appraisal value to your home. You spent $90,000 to gain $200,000 in equity. That's a 122% return on your investment before you even collect your first rent check. The execution blueprint. So how do you actually do this without losing your mind? You follow the 3P rule. Permits, the 2026 shot clock. In the past, getting a permit took a year. Today, states like California have a 60-day shot clock. If the city doesn't give you a valid reason for denial within 60 days, the permit is deemed approved. Use this to your advantage. Hire an ADU consultant, a new profession that exploded in 2026, to handle the bureaucracy for you. Prefab versus stick-built. This is the big debate. In 2026, prefab is winning. Companies like Vesta or Abudu can ship a house to your backyard on a flatbed truck in 3 weeks. It's craned in, hooked to utilities, and ready for a tenant in 3 weeks. If you want it done fast, go prefab. If you want it customized and have a cheaper local contractor, go stick-built. Privacy. This is the house hacking 2.0 secret. To get top-tier rent, you need visual separation. This means separate entrances, private outdoor spaces, even just a small fenced patio, and soundproofing. In 2026, we use rock wool insulation and double drywall with green glue. If your tenant can't hear you, they will stay forever and pay a premium. I want to take a second to talk to the person who's feeling overwhelmed. You're watching this, the math makes sense, the laws make sense, but there's a voice in your head saying, what if I can't find a tenant? Or what if the toilet breaks at 3 a.m.? First, let's address the tenant fear. In 2026, the U.S. is still millions of units short of housing demand. If you build a clean, modern 500 square foot ADU in a major city, you won't just find a tenant, you'll have 50 applications in the first 48 hours. You have the power to pick the most qualified, quiet, and reliable person. Second, the landlord fear. Being a landlord in 2026 isn't like the 1970s. We have apps like Tenant Cloud or Stessa that automate everything. Rent is collected via autopay. Maintenance requests are filed through a portal. You can hire a local handyman on a maintenance on-demand app to handle that 3 a.m. toilet for $50. You don't even have to be the one holding the wrench. Example, the legacy shift. Think about Sarah in Denver. Sarah was a nurse who felt she would never be able to retire. She started House Hacking 2.0 in 2025. By 2026, she had her first ADU. By 2028, the equity from that first house allowed her to buy a second property using a 1031 exchange. By 2030, Sarah isn't just living for free, she owns 3 properties, has 6 streams of rental income, and her housing cost is actually a $6,000 monthly profit. That is the difference between a consumer and an investor. A consumer sees a garage and sees a place to put their car. An investor sees a garage and sees a $300,000 asset that produces $30,000 a year in passive income. We are living through a unique window in American history. The 2026 zoning changes are a transfer of wealth from the traditional large-scale developers to the individual homeowner. For the first time, you get to be the developer. You get to benefit from the density. Don't let the fear of what if
stop you from the reality of what is. The reality is, rent is going up, inflation is real, and the only way to win is to own the dirt and the units on top of it. You are not just building a small apartment in your backyard. You are building a fortress of solitude for your finances. You're ensuring that no matter what happens to the economy, no matter what happens to your job, your home is paid for. That is true freedom. If this blueprint opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe. Ready to live for free? Comment "I'm in" below, and let's get your first deal done. Thanks for watching.